next thing we're going to discuss about is Facebook Marketplace. Primarily what individuals use Facebook Marketplace from an investigative standpoint is looking for stolen goods, whether that is your world or not. Primarily people search within the platforms and they list items for sale. Primarily what has happened over the course of an evolution is that individuals have moved from eBay and Craigslist, Oodle, Kijiji, etc., and now put those items on the Facebook Marketplace for sale. Now, as we perusal through these, for that we're looking for specific information on specific products. So maybe we're looking for iPod Touch, right, or iPad, whatever is the most popular right now. Now, off to the left-hand side here, we can say, okay, what are our search filters? So in other words, where do we want to look and what our radius is? So we want to start with 20 miles as the closest to the individual's home and then expand our search out. Delivery method, how do you want to be able to pick it up? Local pickup only, sort by, and then you could choose distance, price, etc. throughout this. You can also choose the price point, which we leave these all blank. Now, as we look through this, we're going to grab our first one. We're going to see what this looks like. We can see that there's a label ripped off the top. We look for signs of what's going on with the product and who might be in possession of it. Can we identify a car? Can we identify a hand? Can we identify this individual? Off to the right hand side, we see what the product is, an iPod Touch 7th generation for $175. What the condition is of the product, it's new, right, in the box, and then who the individual is. This is extremely important because I want to be able to click on this and I want to see who this person is. So I might look at the profile, click it open, and find out as much about that individual as I can and what they're doing and where these products might be coming from. The other thing I want to look and find out what else they have sold recently. So if this pops open and I see 6 iPods brand new, aha, it smells like a duck, walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck, right? So we want to be able to look at that. The ability to be able to associate somebody's Facebook profile with a marketplace listing is huge. We can be able to find out who this person is, who they're around, what they're doing, and be able to really identify signs of potential criminal activity within these groups. The marketplace is a huge operation for electronic fencing, or e-fencing is what we refer to it as, for stolen goods. And you can find a wealth of information in here, not only about potential stolen goods, but the individuals that are selling them in themselves.